SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to enable or disable HDR video on an iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. The default camera app on your iPhone 14 has the ability to record video in Dolby Vision HDR or High Dynamic Range mode to provide you with true-to-life color and contrast. This can often create some great videos, but it can also adjust the colors in a way that you may not like. So if you would like to either turn off HDR video, or if you want to turn it on, then you can change the setting by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the camera option from this menu, and then you can select the record video option at the top of this screen. At the top of here, you can see you can choose which resolution you would like to record your video in. But if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see that there's an HDR video option here. I currently have it turned on, which means that the videos that I create are going to use that Dolby Vision HDR. If you'd like to turn it off, then you can simply tap the button to the right of that, and now the videos are no longer going to record using this setting.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.